The Quick Text add-in allows you to create and insert any text blocks in a pair of mouse clicks. In the Program Options, you can show or hide the Quick Text button on the Outlook main Windows ribbon, or on the ribbon of the new message window. You can use the program not only in message texts, but also in other fields, such as the recipient lists or the message subject. You can copy or delete the ready-made templates. By using macros, you can insert the current date or a list of message attachments. The add-in allows you to change the fonts as needed and assign keyboard shortcuts to instantly insert text snippet to the desired location. The assigned shortcut can be cleared at any time. Insert quick text anywhere you can with your mouse or the assigned keyboard shortcut. You can click the Quick Texts button on the ReliefJet tab of the Outlook ribbon or move the button to the main message tab to select the desired template with 2 clicks. To add the Quick Text button where you want it, open the Outlook ribbon customization. Create a new group, naming it whatever you like. And add the Quick Text button to the created group. Now you can insert text blocks even faster. You can change the order of the quick texts in the button menu with the arrows on the toolbar, as well as the alphabetical sort button. If you don't need some templates temporarily, you can turn them off. As you can see, the list has changed according to our settings. ReliefJet Quick Text is just one of the programs of the ReliefJet Quicks bundle for Microsoft Outlook. This set of add-ins saves you valuable time every day by providing easy-to-use tools to improve your productivity.